Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to open TikTok on mute. You know when you are in some silent place and you click on TikTok and it just bursts out the sound? Well, that days are gone. Today I will fix all your problems. So stick until the end to see how we do it. Of course you need to open TikTok. Here, as you can see, it is opened on mute. And if you want that on your own profile and app, click on your profile. Go to these three lines, settings and privacy. Here in the settings, all you need to do is go to this playback section right here, click on it, and as you can see, the first button says open TikTok on mute. Videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. Tap to unmute videos or use device volume controls. As you can see now, it will open it like before, and when I click on it, it will open it on mute always. And that's it. If it was helpful to you, I hope that you clicked that like button and maybe commented something. If not, it's okay. Until next one, wish you all the best. Bye.